there, Sue here with another Moments with Sue, and this time I have dragged to Perth, well not really, she was coming anyway, but the fabulous Peita Diamantidis. We have just finished this brilliant workshop that you did here at Flow Space, and it was all about advisor education, some incredibly helpful tips. And what I want you to talk about in this bit here is the fact that I had so many advisors say to me, oh, that sounds great, we're going to wait and see what happens with FASIA. Right? Yeah. We don't know what the studies are going to be yet. We're just going to wait and see. And that's maybe the worst thing you could be doing right now. And Peita, you had some brilliant tips.
Yeah, so the thing about waiting is that really there's only one thing we're waiting for. We're just waiting for the minutiae. You know, so it's the minutiae of what we need to study. Like that's what's being decided.
But I can't book into something if I don't know what I'm booking into.
Yeah, but there's so much you can do before then. So first of all, there's the three key things. So first of all, you can decide if you're going to study at all. I mean, there's a conscious fork in the road point here where you can say, am I going to do this? Because you're committing for 4-ish years, depending on what you're studying. So if you're going to commit for that long, you want to know you're going to be an advisor for at least, say, 10.
Yep.
So this is a conscious decision one should make. So deciding if you're going to study, deciding where you're going to study. Okay. So you can do all of that research now, even though they may not have exactly the results that you're looking for or the course. It's the type of uni they are, how much support they give you, what do they deliver online, do they deliver in person. So understanding the institution you're going to go to and picking that now means the minute they announce it, logged in, student number 001, as we said in the session today. Yeah. And the other thing you can decide is to study well. So it's learning some skills about how you're going to study, how you're going to use your time, being effective. Because I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to study.
No.
It's not something I would choose to do now. So we're going to be jamming that in.
And a lot of advisors might have been doing a heap of CPD, but doing a CPD article or online thing is totally different to studying a
Correct. This is like being, basically CPD is often an article. It's something that's already been chunked down for you. What you're getting here is a course. Go forth and prosper.
Yeah.
So
and you're running a business, you're seeing your clients, you're seeing your family.
Maybe having a family, maybe having fun going out.
No. So forget that.
Maybe never. Not for 4 years. So actually starting some skills now.
Yeah.
Do you time chunk? Do you actually divide up the way you apply time? Because you say you're going to do one subject a semester, that's about 120 hours. It's about 5 hours a week. I'd spend time between now and the end of the year finding 5 hours a week.
Yeah.
If you did nothing else, you'd be well ready for when they announce the results. So you're basically getting everything prepped for the big time. So the minute they announce, you can take action.
Yeah, and I'm thinking too from a business coaching perspective, because we help people run a better business, do whatever you can now to get your business humming so that you can find those 5 hours.
Reduce your key man risk. So if you're the advisor and it all comes through you, you need to start changing that now, because you're going to have to apply some time. You're going to have to take some time off when you're doing the exams. You're going to have assignments. So automation. There's all sorts of things you should start. You've got 6 months. Start looking at that now, so that then you're ready and the business is ready.
Yeah.
Right. Your clients are trained to know you're not around on Fridays. However you attack this, you can start doing it now.
Yeah. Tell you what, if you get the opportunity to go to this workshop anywhere around Australia, and I'm going to be putting the call out to licensees, anybody to get you on a conference stage, brilliant stuff. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having us.
We're going to go out for dinner now.
Yeah.
That's another Moment with Sue.